Is there hope? Yes. Peru and the international community are taking action to stop this toxic gold rush. Peru has launched military raids on illegal mining camps and banned mercury imports. Groups like the Minamata Convention push global limits on mercury use. Eco-friendly gold certification programs now help consumers support clean mining. Some indigenous tribes are mapping their land digitally to defend against intruders. Change is possible, but it needs all of us. Awareness isn't the end. It is only the start of real pressure, real reform, and real change.